Ladies and gentlemen, on our final approach now to Malaga, can you once again ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened? Please do note the exit nearest to your seat, bearing in mind that it could be behind you. Ladies and gentlemen, you're very welcome to Malaga, where the local time here is 20 minutes to 11. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened till the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Smoking is not permitted until you are in a designated smoking area in the terminal building. Please do not turn on your mobile phone until we've opened the doors. Please ensure you take all your personal belongings with you, including any reading material you may have brought on board. Remember to check the overhead lockers and the seat pocket in front of you. Take care when opening the overhead lockers in case anything should fall out and cause injury to you or to another passenger. Aer Lingus are pleased to announce 2 new direct routes to North America, San Francisco and Toronto. Flights will take off from Dublin next April and are on sale now. We now have 8 direct routes to the US and Canada with over 70 onward connections. And for future travel and further details, just log on to aerlingus.com. And for travel insurance, Hertz car hire and accommodation, you should always log on to aerlingus.com. So on behalf of Aer Lingus, Captain Lee Murphy and the rest of the crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us this morning. We do hope you've enjoyed this flight. We look forward to welcoming you on board again very soon. Cymryd y cwrdd y Aer Lingus yn march until Sullivan Group ships animals and Thursday. Goodbye, Sloan, August Banacliff. Thank you and a very safe onward journey. Cabin crew disarm doors and cross check.